Celebrities are humans in flesh and blood just like us. Hence, they feel what we feel and do the things most of us like to do. Examples are having besties, falling in love, get our hearts broken, and move on. The celebrities also experience similar things. Well, the besties or falling in love part can sometimes get dramatic for them due to their status in society. Everyone wants a peek into their daily lives. This affects who they choose to date or hang out with. Most of the celebs pick their fellow celebrities as besties or even love partners. Some end up well, others end up in tears. Here are the celebs that have had amazing bestieship or friendship together and vibe so well, everyone thought they were an item. Patoranking and Yemi Alade. They have maintained low gravity of friendship in the eyes of the public. Their chemistry was first revealed when Yemi Alade featured Patoranking on the song Temptation. The video was so juicy, but fans didn't conclude that they were actually dating. But what got fans talking about potential dating was when wedding pictures came out on social media. The pictures were actually posted by Patoranking himself, but fans were later disappointed when they realized the pictures were from the music video for his song Mom Baby featuring Flavor. The song is on his 3 album. He later posted Yemi Alade on Twitter with the caption Mom Baby, which she responded, "Thanks Papi." Fans immediately got on that and started asking questions whether Yemi Alade was his official girlio or she's just being used for the video. Yemi Alade played the lead character as the bride to Patoranking in the video for Mom Baby, which is causing all the controversial comments or bringing all the controversial comments on social media. Fans were heartbroken but yet happy for the bestieship that they've started now. Sarkodie and Efya, these two took over the music industry with their talent on songs like I'm in Love with You from Sarkodie's Rapaholic album in 2012. It got a bit emotional when fans and music lovers started pleading with them to date because they look good together. The two of them started fueling the dating rumor more when they released more beautiful love songs such as Devil in Me from Psychology album in 2014, Sarah from Black Love album in 2019. These two should have just dated honestly, but the rumor was put to bed when Sarkodie got married to his then girlfriend Tracy Sussex in 2018. However, Sarkodie and Efya continued to remain close friends in the industry. There was no tears or there have never been tears involved, and fans are always behind them with whatever decision they take as they love their music. They remain one of Ghana's or two of Ghana's most talented and most listened to musicians. Pearl Thusi and DJ Ziclip. If you have followed the South African entertainment industry closely, you would have noticed the chemistry between these two. Everyone needs a bestieship like theirs. They celebrate each other on social media with posts that goes to celebrate the work that they have been doing individually and collectively. Pearl Thusi some time ago posted DJ Ziclip on her birthday and she wrote this powerful message for her. Happy birthday, babes. She then went on to continue in the next slide by saying, since waking up, I haven't been able to figure out how to wish you a happy birthday on the way that you deserve. I have tried to think of which image is perfect. Maybe a song. What should I say in a video? Maybe I need to get another gift. What are the words to perfectly say to you how perfect you are, how perfect of a daughter, a perfect mother, a perfect friend, a perfect sister, a perfect human, especially because you hide none of your imperfection to those close to you and the world. You have been stripped bare and quietly built yourself up again, stronger and even more beautiful. You are like a home, a well, a shelter, a roofed with wisdom and painted with love, furnished with happiness, and when you switch the light on, all you see and feel is peace. The fireplace dries up in tears and shares stories that make us crackle back with laughter. I love you, Z. I love everything about you. DJ Ziclip has congratulated Pearl Thusi on several occasions, especially when she featured in the Netflix series Queen Zono. She wrote in her caption, "Oh wow friend, I'm so happy and proud of you. You are incredible, and on behalf of all your friends, I just want to ask that you also give us a chance. Cause wow friend, #QueenZono, and it's now Mark X Pearl. You are doing so much on the real though friend. You are a great inspiration to me and I'm so proud to be your friend. Congratulations, my love. Fans sometimes get goosebumps watching Pearl Thusi and DJ Zikler show support to each other. They are a great source of motivation to young girls out there, showing that girls can be each other's biggest fan without pulling wigs off in public. Falz the Bad Guy and Simi. Many have argued that before Simi shocked the music industry by marrying fellow musician Adekunle Gold, she was allegedly dating Falz the Bad Guy. But who wouldn't believe that? Come on, they have an EP together called Chemistry, released in 2016, which increased the romantic suspicion. But it seems the chemistry was just at the music level and nothing more. Even though fans were disappointed at the end of the day that they didn't end up dating, they still support their music together and separately as well. Wizkid and Tiwa Savage, Daddy-O, now Big Wiz, is held in high esteem by fans as one of the talented and sweetest bad boys of the music industry. He has a charm for the ladies due to his fashion style and also his songs. He's frequently been seen hanging out and recording his songs with Tiwa Savage. She even played Wizkid's Bad Girl in the video for Fever, which according to fans confirmed their dating rumor. Fans posted screenshots from the video with captions or with questions asking both Tiwa Savage and Wizkid whether they are dating. Even popular influencer Toke Makinwa also posted. She wrote, "After watching the video for Fever, I'm looking for romance. I just want to experience chemistry, physics and biology at once." Another fan posted and she wrote, "They look like they make each other happy regardless of whether they are together or not. I mean, see this expression and body language. They no even send camera. Tiwa Savage and Wizkid sabi, abeg, #Fever." Wizkid and Tiwa Savage have gone on to appear on different stages across the world. Wizkid seems to be bonding very well with female celebrities or singers. He even created a buzz with Ghanaian superstar Efia, who he recorded Daddy-O with in 2017. In all, Wizkid is just a smooth boy who has a charm to the ladies. Now, question, what do you make of all this bestie shit? Are there more to it or it ends at the friendship level? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with a friend so we can continue producing content like this all the time for you.